You are out in your backyard, enjoying a beautiful summer day, and suddenly, ouch! You get stung by a wasp, a hornet, a honeybee, or even a painful carpenter ant. The burning pain, the swelling, the instant redness. We have all been there. But what if the ultimate, fast-acting remedy is already sitting right in your garden bed? Today, we are talking about Madagascar Periwinkle, commonly known across the U.S. as Vinca. While most Americans plant Vinca just for its beautiful pink, white, or purple blooms, ancient Ayurvedic medicine has used this powerful herb for centuries as a potent natural healer. Vinca leaves contain unique alkaloids and natural anti-inflammatory compounds. When applied topically, these compounds act as a soothing agent that quickly neutralizes the burning sensation of insect venom, reducing both pain and swelling almost instantly. Here is exactly how to use this time-tested home remedy in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Pluck 2 to 3 fresh, clean Vinca leaves from your garden. Step 2. Crush or grind the leaves thoroughly until they release their dark green, potent juice. You can use a small mortar and pestle or simply crush them firmly between your fingers if you are outdoors. Step 3. Apply the crushed leaf paste or the fresh juice directly onto the sting or bite area. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. You will feel a cooling sensation as the throbbing pain and swelling begin to fade away rapidly. The best part? This traditional Ayurvedic remedy is completely safe for external use for everyone, from toddlers to seniors. However, a quick safety note for all plant lovers: Vinca is toxic if ingested. So, while it is incredibly safe and effective on your skin, make sure to keep it away from your mouth and keep the plants out of reach of your dogs and cats. Nature always has the best answers hidden right in plain sight. Have you ever used Vinca for bug bites, or do you just grow it for its flowers? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more holistic health secrets, and share this with a fellow gardener. Stay safe, stay natural, and I will see you in the next video.